Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Adika Sutra Lubis with MPM 23411-097 from Management 23 Extension. Today I will presentation text about legal aspects. Okay, the first slide introduce. Legal aspects in business are crucial to ensuring that a company operates in compliance with applicable laws. A solid understanding of these aspects can help business avoid legal rights, gain customer trust, and facilitate smooth operation and expansion. Okay, the next slide. Types of business entities and their legal requirements. Before starting a business, choosing the right business entity is essential as it affects legal liability, taxation, and regulatory complications. Below are some common business structures and their legal aspects. Okay, the first, sole proprietorships, micro, small, and medium enterprises, or MSMEs. Legal requirements. Business identification number, or INB, via the online single subscription or OSOS system. Business certificate from the local authority. Location and environmental permits, or depending on business type. Advantage: easy to accessibilities, low capital, and flexible. Disadvantage: unlimited personal liability. The example of sole proprietorship MSME business. Business name: homemade bakery. Business type: small home-based bakery. Legal requirements: NEB, business certificate from local authority, location and environmental permits. Advantages of sole proprietorships for homemade bakery: easy to achieve, low capital requirements, flexible operation. Disadvantage of sole proprietorship home bakery: unlimited personal liability. Second, limited liability company, LLC or PT in Indonesia. Legal requirements: articles of incorporation notarized by a public notary. Legal entity approved from the Ministry of Law and Human Rights. Business identification number, or NIB, via OSS. Company taxpayer identification number, or NPWP. Industry specific business permits. Advantage: limited liability, easier access to funding. Disadvantage: more complex setup, higher cost. Okay, the example of limited liability company, LLC or PT in Indonesia. Name: PT Green Tech Solution. Industry: Renewable Energy Solution. Legal requirements fulfilled by PT Green Tech Solution. 1. Article incorporation. 2. Legal entity approval. 3. Business identification number, or NIB. 4. Company taxpayer identification number, NPWP company. 5. Industry-specific business permits. Advantage: of only LLC PT for Green Tech Solution, limited liability, erasures access to funding, legally recognized and credible. Disadvantage of an LLC: more complex setup and higher costs. Okay, third, limited partnership or CV, commanditary fee not cap, legal requirements, notarized articles of partnership, business taxpayer identification number or NPWP, business identification number NEB for OSS, industry-specific permits. Advantage: simple structure, suitable for medium-sized business. Disadvantage: general partner have unlimited liability. The example of limited partnership or CV: business name CV Centro Digital, industry IT service and software development. Okay, legal requirements fulfilled by CV Central Digital. 1. Notarious articles of partnership. 2. Business taxpayer identification number NPWP company. 3. Business identification number NEB via OSS. 4. Industry specific permits. Okay. Advantage of limited partnership CV: 1. Simple structure. 2. Suitable for medium-sized business. Disadvantage of limited partnership: 1. General partner unlimited liability. 2. Limited partner has no control. 4. Cooperative legal requirements, notarized articles of incorporation, overall from the Ministry of Cooperative and SMS. Cooperative taxpayer identification number or NPWP, business identification number NEB via OSS. Advantage: member-oriented welfare model. Disadvantage: slower decision-making process. Okay, the example of cooperative business. Business name Koperasi Tani Sejahtera, industry agricultural supply and distribution. Legal requirements fulfilled by Koperasi Tani Sejahtera: 1. Notarized article of incorporation. 2. Approval from the Ministry of Cooperatives and SMS. 3. Cooperative taxpayer identification number or NPWP. 4. Business identification number or NEB. Okay, advantage of a cooperative for Koperasi Tani Sejahtera: 1. Member-oriented welfare model. 2. Stronger collective bargaining power. 3. Access to government support. Disadvantage of a Koperasi Tani Sejahtera: 1. Slower decision making a process. Okay, the next slide. Business permits and regulatory conflicts. First, business identification number or NEB serve as the primary business identity and legal authorization issued through the OSS system. Second, location and environmental permits required for business that might impact the surrounding environment based and regional zoning regulation. Third, industry-specific business license. Finance must be licensed by Financial Service Authority or OJK. Pharmaceutical and healthcare request from National Agency of Drug and Food Control or BPOM and Ministry of Health. Food and Beverage requires halal certification and BPOM permits from distribution. 4. Intellectual Property Rights or EPR. Trademark regulations protect the business brand from misuse. Patent registration protect technological legal innovation. Copyright regulations secures ownership of creating works. Okay, next, contracts and agreements in business. 1. Employment contracts define rights and obligations between employers and employees, must comply with labor laws. 2. Supplier or vendor agreements govern business relationship between a company and its suppliers. 3. Loan or investment agreements define terms for business loans or investment partnerships. 4. Non-disclosure agreement or NDA protect confidential business information. Okay, the next slide, business taxation. 1. Type of business tax. Income tax, PPH. 21. Employee payroll tax. Corporate income tax, PPH. 25. With 29. Tax on business profits. Value added tax or VAT. 11% taxes goods or service. Local tax such as advertisement tax, restaurant tax, or etc. 2. Tax complete obligation registers for business taxpayer identification number or NPWP, submitting annual tax returns. Okay, the last slide, conclusion. Legal aspect from the foundation, a sustainable and law-abiding business. Understanding various regulations help a business avoid legal issue and build a strong reputation with partners and customers. Okay, so video from me about legal aspects. Thank you.